So we got a bed, we got everything.
Postcard!
Parang what?
Parang postcard! Yung nakikita mo sa postcard!
Welcome back po dito sa Buhay Canada. I'll just talk to them, okay?
Can you turn that on?
Buhay natin sa Winnipeg, Manitoba. So makitrip at makitravel dito sa amin sa Buhay Canada. So right here, Garbage Mountain. Pinalik ng part. Turning over. So it's around 2:20 in the morning.
Today, we'll be going to Toronto.
Yan, naantay na lang namin ang aming service na in-install mo namin ngayong gabing to or ngayong umagang to. So maraming salamat sa kanya at right now inaantay na lang namin siya at magpapack na kami ng gamit and hopefully maging okay din lahat. You know,
Talaga sir.
main setting. Pwede na ba yan yung Subaru o medyo... Bye! We're in the airport. Yan, si John yung nagano sa amin, yung Subaru. Yeah, ano dun? Sinabi. Mamaya na, i-text ko na. Nilagay ko na ron. Ayan o. So ayun yung aming nagdatid sa amin yun. Maraming salamat. And we are here in the airport. Check-in. Go, move. Dito ka na ate kasi naka-check-in na tayo, di ba? Ito na lang i-check-in natin. Yeah. Dito ka muna ate. Let's go here. TD. Oh, TD. And one more. One more. Okay, one more. Boom.
Okay,
one more time. Go.
Yeah, one more time.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wait.
One more try. Come on.
And then?
Nandito na kami sa airport. So we are at gate 9, so we're going to Toronto. Tapos ayan. And right now it's around 3:57 in the morning. What can you say about to Tito John? Say thank you.
Tito John.
Tito John is the one who dropped us off.
Where?
What's that? What will you say to Tito John?
He's so Filipino and he's so nice.
Malamang Pilipino siya.
Anak, ano na daw, nagamit na daw email ad mo.
Look at those two girls. And picture pa more. Dalaga na yung mga anak ko. Marunong na gumamit ng camera. Tumingin. Yan o. You know.
Tingnan na picture ko.
Nando dun. Mamaya. Sinend ko na, di ba? Dito na
Parang
kami.
ano yung mata ko. Stress ko. Eyebags kong eyebags.
Kaya nga eh. So it's around, magbo-boarding sila in 10 minutes.
Ihi lang ako.
Yan, ihiga mo na siya. So ito si Riz, si Arya, busy. Yan. So una-una maraming salamat kay John na nagano sa amin, naghatid sa amin dito sa airport. Are you excited?
Yeah. And guys, my mommy wants to look sexy because my mom wants my daddy to fall in love with her. My mommy said that.
She's more fun.
It's okay, don't be shy. Shy people don't be shy.
Ang mahirap pa nito, lahat dito nakakaintindi ng English.
Did you stop? Kala mo na fall out of
Go with your partner.
With your partner. So yeah. We're here at Terminal 1 sa May Toronto and we're just going to look for something to eat. Maaga yung flight namin pero syempre Toronto traffic na, so we're just waiting for our tito ni Aisha. So yan, antay kami dito sa Terminal 1 sa A. Ano, how's the flight ate? It's good.
Busy.
1 hour.
Remove your jacket.
Ano?
Guys, it was very good because I get to play with Arya and Alvin. I get to look out the window, talk to mommy. I talk to mom. Daddy, Dad, I talk to mommy and Alvin. I fall asleep again. I fall asleep again. I fall asleep again. I woke up and then it was a pretty view.
Takot ka? Tulog kami.
Hindi ako nakatulog si Arya kasi. Kasi nakatulog si Arya 20 minutes bago mag-landing.
You know, so it's only around 9:20. Ang check-in namin is around 4 o'clock pa. So, dito muna kami nag-stay sa Brampton, sa tito ni Aisha. Tapos, ipapayaram nila sa amin yung kanyang sasakyan. Okay, so dito na kami sa Brampton. So, kinuha namin yung aming sasakyan ng tito ni Aisha. So, yan. So, it's around 11 hours and 11 minutes papunta sa Niagara. Tapos yung dalawa kong maingay na anak, ayan.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi butterfly.
So, bali ngayon, bumibili na sa Aisha rito sa may no frills ng tubig. Tsaka kasi nagre-request ng bata dito sa likod ko. Yan, si Cassie nagre-request ng tubig. So yan, dadamo na kami dyan sa no frills and then gatas ni Arya. So right now dito sa Toronto or sa Ontario, medyo mainit. It's around 25 degrees Celsius. So yan, good thing meron kaming at least kahit pa paano sasakyan na gagamitin kasi pag may mga kasama kang bata, it's really difficult or challenging para ibiyahe itong mga to, lalo na yung isang maliit na nandun, minsan tinutopak.
Sinong binubo sila niya? Yun. Ha? Yun. Yung blue. Bakit? Ikaw yata? Bakit ako? Hindi naman ako ano lang naman ako dito. Pira pa na yung mga nandito. Kasi papunta to sa US no?
Kaya, hindi ka talaga nila. Oo, ayaw sa bumagal ako. Hindi naman eh. Mabilis lang sila. Ang bibilis eh. Hindi naman yung speed limit nila 110, tumatakbo sila ng 140. Nasa ng hostisya. May pagod. Arya! Sasabihin mo ako.
Is 10.
10.
Hanggang 28.
Nilagay nila tayo sa 42.
Nagtalagay ko sa 42 yung
Why not?
natin ang view ng Niagara.
Let's go, let's go. Oh, sabi nga nila all view ng araw eh. Canada and US.
Let's go.
Sheesh, we are on the top of the world. We're at 42, 06. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, look at those.
4206.
I think we are here. Here.
4206.
Okay.
4206. Oh wow.
Ang taas nito.
It reminds me of a boat.
Open it.
Hawakan mo to.
Surprise.
I will video it.
Mommy.
Go. Everybody wants to go there. Uy, yung natin, yung card natin. Arya, release the baby. Oh my God. Hello. So we are here. Here's the room. Ito, ako yung pinag-bought nila. Excited yung mga bata dun sa kanilang view. Look at this washroom. Let's check the washroom. Malinis. So what we have here?
So we got a bed. We got a
postcard.
Parang what?
Parang postcard. Yung nakikita mo sa postcard.
Sheesh! Galing oh. Oh, yan oh. We are here.
I think I'm about to pass out. Oh gosh.
Picture. Where are we? Where are we? We got it, baby. Ang ganda. Awesome. Happy yarn. Happy yarn.
Ano yan? The serve.
Nalala mo, yung nandun tayo, yun o. Di ba sinasabi mo lang dati, yung nandun?
Sana
Saan?
next time na bumalik kayo, mag-hotel tayo.
Sheesh! Ganda! Ang postcard ko. Ito ba naman view araw-araw? Why not?
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy, for all the hard work that you put and money that you put in this. I love you.
You're welcome, baby.
Look at the view.
Look at the view.
Oh my God.
Awesome. Hindi mo pagsasawaan tingnan to araw-araw dahil hindi ka naman lagi dito.
Connect with the Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Ito nga pala, no? Ito yung falls ng Canada side. Tapos, ayun yung falls ng US side. Tapos, that is the US. Yan, US na yan. Parang mapa ng Pilipinas. Hindi pala, parang mapa ng Canada itong ginagawa ko.
I am so grateful.
So, ayan, no? Look at
I am
that.
so grateful for this. And all
Me too.
All this
God.
time, I could miss out on
So
this.
good.
When I tell my children, did you know I went to Toronto?
Really, Niagara Falls. It's amazing.
Oh,
Amazing view.
You will tell your children. We checked in there. My mom let us experience to check in there.
I know. And we're in the 42th floor.
This is so amazing. This is my first time to see that one.
Yung Agus dyan, yeah, I know. Ganda.
Oh my God, this is so breathtaking.
This will be super memorable.
The US view.
Yan, the US view, yeah.
Where's the US?
That one.
Kabila anak ko yung that
I know.
bridge.
Parang ako nagmamapa dito, tignan mo. And then we have the Canada side. Sheesh!
Sheesh, how
Sheesh! Ganda! It's not.
go.
So we are here at Coco's Terrace Bar and Grill.
Take some.
So ito yung pinakamalapit na restaurant na mayroong kids meal malapit sa hotel. And napaka-safe kasi pizza lang naman ang mga kakainin to ng mga to. Ayan.
Today we're in Toronto.
No, we're not in Toronto. We're in Niagara.
That's how.
Pass up the day wag na.
Yeah, we can try. So lahat ng pagkain is treat na ni Aisha. Maraming salamat, Madam. Madam Aisha. Ganda-ganda ni Madam. Ayaw magpaano eh. Ooh, chuchuchu. Oy, shades on. Yan, shades on. Oh. So yan, dito muna kami kakain. And then after this, pupunta kami dun sa mismo Niagara Falls.
Talaga.
I know. Relax ka lang ngayon, hindi ka nagmamadali kasi yung hotel mo malapit lang. Which is, andyan lang, sa kabila lang. Tapos you have all the time para tignan tong ano, itong falls. Yeah? Yeah, we will go there. Ako na ate. Andun sa dulo.
Sorry.
Sorry anak ko.
That's with the perks of with the wagon. Yan. Oh, it's cold.
I'm so feeling like a statue.
And the winner of the best outfit goes to Cassie.
She said me.
Mimi.
She said me.
Si Arya pwede pa kasi may jacket siya eh, no? Pero ito,
She's the winner too.
tanggal forma mo, no?
Mommy, Arya not even cold because she's so hot.
It's so hot. Yeah.
Alang-alang sa photo op, si sleeveless pa si Galor. Sleeveless pa and shorts pa si Ineng.
Ining.
Look at Arya. She's
Oh, lamig ka.
Nice.
Ngayon tingnan mo, tigas na lahat.
Okay.
Mommy.
So we have to walk pa doon. Come on, let's go walk.
Jump the Reese, let's go.
Ah. Ayan, no? Kasi yun yung casino. Tapos yung hotel namin nandun sa kabila. So I think pupunta muna kami ulit sa ano, sa hotel kasi maghahanap to, mag-change outfit to si Aisha kasi dito kami mag-i-stay ng gabi.
Ito na yung pajama ko. Ayun yung jacket.
Okay. So let's go na.
Dito na tayo?
Oh, yeah.
Saan tayo tatawid?
Doon na sa dulo.
It's raining!
Yeah.
Mommy,
Man, daming tao rito. It's a maze, yeah. Feel the pain. Bala kayo dyan.
Hey, your favorite child. Your favorite child.
Asan? Mga TikTokers. Kulit.
It's raining.
Oh, basa dyan, oh, babe. Basa, oh, tingnan mo, look. I think we need to change outfit kasi hindi tayo mag-enjoy mamayang gabi.
I know. Asa si Cassie?
Ayun, oh.
Guys, I'm super warm.
Oh, naka-shorts lang, tapos naka-t-shirt, tapos yung mist ng Niagara Falls dito sa may Canada side eh tumatama dito sa kalsada, kaya ayan, parang umuulan, basa. Ayan. Kasi lang ang malakas kasi siya lang yung naka tamang forma. So babalik muna kami sa hotel as I said, at babalik kami rito para sa lights and fireworks daw mamaya. Ito, basa na, oh. Look. Yeah. Woo. Ito lang, ini-enjoy mo na lang talaga yung view. Kasi ini-enjoy mo na lang. Yan. Ini-enjoy mo na lang talaga. Speechless na. Speechless. Look at that. Ito kami sa may tram. Tinamad na kami maglakad papunta, pabalik sa hotel. So we are just doing this. Nice. Right, so dito na kami mag-i-stay. It's 9:22 in the evening. So we first plan dapat pupunta kami dun sa baba para i-watch yung fireworks at saka yung lights dito sa may fall, sa may Niagara Fall. Pero wala, napagod na yung mga bata. They prefer to stay here. And dito na lang namin papanorin yung fireworks at syempre yung yung mga ilaw-ilaw dyan sa Niagara Falls. Look at that. Arya! Oh, tutulog na lang si Arya. Tutulog na lang si Arya with their snacks.
Oh, midnight snack!
I know. So, anong oras na yung swimming? 12?
Oh, you want Coke?
12?
Eh, gusto ko manood ng fireworks eh. Sa mama
Hindi,
na
after. After. Sa mama
Sa mama na mag-swimming sila at maliligo
Hindi,
na.
fireworks din ako. So, yan yung yan yung lights. So, nakita na namin yung mga ilaw-ilaw.
No, it's a water.
Ganda, oh. Look at yun.
It's like a hole.
Wow. Yung mga ilaw-ilaw dyan. Tapos, saan magkano yung fireworks dito mamaya? Ayan. Ganda, oh. Sheesh! Oh, nagbago na naman yung ilaw ng falls. Nice. Oh, mami, nagbabago na yung ilaw ng falls, oh. Wow. Happy New Year ba? Ayun, oh.
Wow! I'm so grateful to have this experiment.
Oh, ano experience?
Oh yeah, experience.
Galing.
Wow. I don't know. It's always flashing. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's always flashing like this.
You just have your baby. Dapat pala dyan tayo pumwesto banda.
Saan?
Saan tayo banda pumwesto bukas? Oh, ang ganda, oh. Ano si Arya doon?
I know. Ang ganda, no?
Thank you.
So cute and so beautiful. Here, look. Look at Arya.
Tuwa ka, anak mo.
She's
Happy siya. Happy yung mga anak
The best day ever!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Oh, that's fireworks!
What color is that? Wow!
That's 10 minutes.
Gold! No,
Huh?
that's blue
10
and
minutes.
red.
Was 10 minutes?
Green.
Nice.
5 minutes at 10
Green.
minutes.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it's a star!
Yan o, dumudungaw-dungaw na lang oh.
Oh.
Dumudungaw-dungaw na lang sila sa salamin oh. Nagtitingin ng fireworks. Are you ready for your swimming?
No, not yet.
Not yet? You wanna finish that fireworks?
Of course.
Of course, why not? Oh, si Aryo. Oh, si Aryo. Oh.
Wow, that's probably the end now.
Not yet.
Di
That's
pa.
10 minutes.
Di pa.
What?
10 minutes yan, anak ko.
Di pa.
Oh, I saw a heart. It mentioned the heart, so that means love.
Love.
Like I heart you. I saw that. Like look at the beautiful view.
Sana nilive mo si Ate Katniss, tinawagan mo. Baka tulog
You
na
know.
sila.
Mom,
Yeah.
they're doing the rosary.
Yeah, hayaan mo na baka tulog na sila.
So si Aryo. So si Aryo. Look.
That's fireworks.
Look at si Aryo. Look at si Aryo.
Wow, so pretty. It losses 10 minutes.
Oh, magbihis ka na ng ano ah.
Nang,
Paligo.
meron na. Paano dyan na?
Naka-ready na?
Yeah.
I'm never gonna forget this memory.
Oh.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna cry now.
You gonna cry now? Let me see.
Let me see why you're
Let me see. You're gonna cry, Rizzy.
Rizzy, why you're
Why are you going to cry?
Rizzy,
Why are you crying?
Because it's like it's good memories. I'm happy tears. That's such a
Oh, that's unhappy tears.
Let's go swimming!
Swimming!
Why is that enough? That's no more.
You're so dramatic.
No, it's not. It's just emotional.
It's emotional.
I'm the emotional kid in my family.
Go to the pool. Hoop. Hoop.
Oh my
Okay, go. Go, go, go. Let's go to the kiddie pool.
Uy, Arya!